Good morning students, welcome to class 8 mathematics. Today we are going to do the chapter 2 exponents part 2. In this chapter I am going to do some more questions regarding laws of exponents of positive integrals. The question is, find the value of x if 4 raised to 2x plus 10 divided by 2 is equals to 37. Look at the solution. The steps of solutions is, first you will write the questions. Now we know it is divided here. If we transpose this 2 to right hand side, it will become multiply. 4 raised to 2x plus 10 is equals to 37 into 2, because 2 is divided on the left hand side. So on the right hand side it will become multiply. So it is, now it is 14, 3 to 6, 7, 74. Now 4 raised to 2x plus 10 is equals to 74. 4 raised to the power 2x is equals to 74 minus 10. Now 4 raised to the power 2x is equals to 64. Now turn them into exponential form so that the base on both sides will become equal. So it will be 64 can be written as 4 into 4 into 4, and that is equals to 4 raised to 3. I have 4 raised to 2x. We can see that base are same on both sides. When the base are same, exponents will be equal. So when base are same, exponents are equal. So 2x is equals to 3. X is equals to 3 upon 2. This is the value of x we have got. Next. Question 7 we have completed. Question 8, I'm going to solve this one also. The next question of exercise 2.1 is, simplify 64 into 81 into 27 upon 256 into 3 to the power 6 into 5 raised to 2. Solution: we will turn each of the number in the exponential form. So first we will do this. 264, 2 3, 2 16, 2 8, 2 4, 2 2. So we can see that 2 raised to 6 will be here. पहले लिखिए क्वेश्चन इस तरह से. So what we will do, we will write 64 as 2 raised to the power 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and 81 as 3 raised to the power 4, and 27 as 3 raised to the power 3 upon 256. 256 will be 2 1 2 2 4 2 16, 6 4, and then 1 2 3 4 5 6 6, and that is 6 and 2. 2 raised to the power 8. 2 raised to the power 8 into 3 raised to the power 6 into 5 raised to the power 2. Now we see that base are same here too, and here also. So first what we'll do, we will use the law of exponents, that is 2 raised to the power 6, if it is brought up it will become minus 8 into 3 raised to the power 4 plus 3 upon 3 raised to the power 6 into 5 raised to the power 2. We will write here the law we have used, that is, since a raised to the power m upon a raised to the power n is equals to a raised to the power m minus n, and a raised to the power m into a raised to the power n is equals to a raised to the power m plus n. These two property law I have used here. Now what it will become, we will see in the next page. Become 2 raised to the power minus 2 into 3 raised to the power 7, and this will bring to the numerator side, that is, it will become minus. Since these two bases are same, exponents will be subtracted. because same base are divided here, upon 5 raised to power 2. Here also we'll use the law which I've used, a raised to power m upon a raised to power n is equals to a raised to power m minus n. Now 2 raised to power 2 minus 2 will become 1 upon 2 raised to power 2, and 3 raised to power 1 will remain here. Here the property we have used is a raised to power minus n is equals to 1 upon a raised to power n. 3 upon, when the exponents are same, we can take common. So the answer is 3 upon 10 raised to power 2, and that is 3 upon 100 is the answer. Stop. The next question of exercise 2.1 is 10th question I am going to do. This is the last question of exercise 2.1, and the solution will be, look at the question first. By what number should 7 by 11 raised to the power 6 be divided to get 343 upon 121? It's very simple. इस नंबर को किससे डिवाइड करेंगे तो हमें ये मिलेगा 343 upon 121. So according to the question, we can see that 7 by 11 raised to power 6 is divided by this. We'll write, let this number be divided by x. Now, according to the question, when 7 by 11 raised to power 6 is divided by x, we get 343 by 121. This means that 7 by 11 raised to power 6, 343 when written in the exponential form, when divided with 7, 7 4 is 28, 7 9 is 63, 7 7 is equal to 7 raised to the power 3 upon 11 raised to the power 2. When x is transposed to the right hand side, it will become multiply. Now 7 by 11 raised to the power 6 here also you can see that, when here it is multiplied, it will become divide this side. 7 raised to the power 3 upon 11 raised to the power 2 is equals to x. Now open the bracket, it will be 7 raised to the power 6 upon 11 raised to the power 6 divide 7 raised to the power 3 upon 11 raised to the power 2 is equals to x. Now you know that when same base are divided and same numerators are also here divided, the exponents will be subtracted. So what we will do, 7 raised to the power 6 minus 3 upon, do better it will be done in the next page. 7 raised to the power 6, when same base are divided, exponents will be subtracted. Minus 3 upon 11, 6 raised to the power 11 raised to the power 6 minus 2 is equals to x. The law we have used is a raised to the power m divided by a raised to the power n is equals to a raised to the power m minus n. This is the law we have used. So here it becomes x is equals to 7 raised to the power 3 upon 11 raised to the power 4, and you can leave it like this also in the exponential form, or you can write it in the other form, but since it is 11 raised to the power 4, so better it is to left here. This is the answer, x is equals to 7 raised to the power 3 upon 11 raised to the power 4. Students, this is the end of exercise 2.1, that is laws of exponents in negative integrals. Now in the next video I am going to do the next exercise of chapter 2, that is 2.2. In that we will discuss about laws of exponents with negative integral exponents. Thank you.